Here are some whiteboard animation channel ideas that you could easily replicate in 2022. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So in today's video guys, we're going to talk about whiteboard animation channels. I'm sure you've all seen those kind of videos online where they make those real enjoyable to watch videos that are handwritten. Obviously this is not like a real hand, this is all computer generated, but you know, there's really highly enjoyable videos that looks very professional and high quality. Like those are the kind of videos that we're going to talk about in this video, and we are going to have a look at some of the very successful whiteboard animation channels out there so that hopefully you could replicate some of those in 2022. So the first channel we're going to look into is this channel here called Practical Psychology. They have over 2 million subscribers and they post a lot of different types of content, usually like inspirational and motivational type of videos, like tutorials, financial tips, and psychological tips, personal development, and even productivity advice. You can see some of their videos here, like what is ADHD, the 6 stages of emotional blackmail, abandonment issues, cognitive dissonance. So really trying to teach their audience about different things psychology related. This is a very good channel, and as you can see, they've gone over 2 million subscribers doing this. My only criticism of this kind of channel is that they've not really niched down that much, because if you go through some of their videos, you'll see that they're basically talking about a lot of different things. Okay, you don't know exactly what is the niche precisely. I mean, this kind of channel most probably does not have that high of a CPM, and I'm going to talk more about that later in this video. But this is a very good channel that posts a ton of really high quality content. The only criticism that I have is that it's not really niche down that much. So if you're going to create a channel similar to this, you want to niche it down more to something more specific, and some of the channels that I'm going to show you in a minute are going to be perfect examples of that. The second whiteboard animation channel that we're going to look into is this channel here called The Art of Improvement. And the type of videos that they post are very similar to the channel I just showed you a minute ago. But the only difference is that, and this is what I like about this channel, is that they are targeting specific keywords that people are searching for on YouTube. For example, they have videos on how to plan your week effectively, how to get out of a rut, how to study for exams, 4 ways to be more productive, how to keep going. So those are things that people are definitely searching for on YouTube. How to make yourself study. So they are creating content around specific keywords or long tail keywords that people are typing in on the YouTube search bar, and this is really the right way of doing it. This is something that I do myself on my channel, where I create content about things that I know people are searching for, because then it increases the chances of my videos getting views, and also I get more long-term views. And this is the one thing that I like about this channel compared to the other compared to the other channel I just showed you. Even though the type of content is very similar, they are targeting specific keywords that will bring them more views on the long run. If we open one of their videos, you will see that I have some data loaded up here, and they are getting about 24,000 views per day, which is pretty good, like almost 750,000 views per month. So even if they are getting, let's say, $2 to $3 per 1,000 views for a channel like that, which is maybe they might be getting a bit more, but I think a good conservative guess would be like $2 or $3 per 1,000 views. So they are making about $50 to $75 per day at least from this channel, posting those kind of videos. The third channel we're going to talk about is this channel here called Teachings in Education. They've got over 150,000 subscribers, and they post a ton of content, educating their viewers about different topics. But one criticism that I have, which is similar to the one I talked about for the first channel, is that they are not really targeting any specific long tail keywords or any type of keywords. They're just creating videos that they think will get views, but people are not searching for those on YouTube, like the Erik Erikson stages of psychological development, vocabulary teaching strategies. I'm not sure people are really searching those kind of stuff on the platform. And this is the one thing that I think they could have done better, and that they are not doing right now. And maybe that's why they are not posting as much anymore, because they are not generating as much views as they were hoping they would. And it's also in a niche that does not have a high CPM, so they're most probably not making as much money from this YouTube channel as you might think they are. The fourth channel we're going to look into is this channel here called The Swedish Investor, where they create whiteboard animations about business. Business is a great niche that has a really high CPM on YouTube, meaning you get paid a lot of money per 1,000 views. And basically they have pretty much chosen the right niche for this kind of videos to create. As you can see, a lot of their videos is about investing, stock market, Warren Buffett, who is a very well-known billionaire, Charlie Munger as well. So they are creating a lot of content around the business niche, which means that they are getting a decent amount of money per 1,000 views with those videos. The one thing they could have done better is maybe target more specific long-tail keywords. I know I keep going to this keywords thing all the time, but this is what YouTube is all about. YouTube is a search engine at the end of the day, and if you're not creating videos that people are searching for, your videos are not going to get that much views at the beginning. Sure, once you've created a huge audience, you can once in a while experiment with new topics that people are not searching for, but at the beginning, if you want to do something very similar to this, you want to target keywords that people are typing in on YouTube. If we open one of their videos, you'll see that we'll look at some of the analytics here. They get about 26,000 views per day, 750,000 views per month. So this is very similar to how much this channel is getting per day as well. The Art of Improvement, which I talked about earlier, also getting around 25,000 views per day. However, the Swedish Investor is definitely making a lot more money because he's in the business niche. So he's most probably getting like $10 to $15 or $20 per 1,000 views. So he's easily making $300 to $400 per day with this channel, as opposed to the Art of Improvement, which is most probably doing like 50 or 75 bucks per day. So this shows how important it is to pick the right niche on YouTube, because 1,000 views in the business niche is worth a lot more than 1,000 views in, let's say, a vlog niche or an entertainment channel. So picking the right niche can be very, very important. So you should really keep that into consideration when choosing the right niche to start your YouTube animation videos channel. The fifth YouTube channel I want to talk about is this YouTube channel here called Betterment Boss. So this is very similar to the Swedish Investor in the sense that they post a lot of business related content. They make a lot of whiteboard animation around business. But the good thing with them is that they are targeting the right keywords. As you can see, how to make passive income for beginners, 10 reasons you must own cryptos, what is crypto staking, how to invest in penny stocks, 5 best investment for passive income. So they are creating videos that are targeting specific long tail keywords that people are searching for. So it's the same type of niche as the Swedish Investor, but they are targeting specific long tail keywords, which is better for the long term, because their videos will always be getting views 6 months from now, 1 year from now, or even a few years from now. And this is exactly what you want to do as well. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. Don't forget to give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I have another video about whiteboard animation where I go into more detail on how to do this, how to start a whiteboard animation channel. So don't forget to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below, or the video is gonna pop up somewhere around here. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.